Jo pulang liga Jerman pen jo. Jerman tourist lo karbing long pen non ke alang Kohima si dam sita ho. Alang li panili si ngeban lo dangan ke. Si datang ke alang li di kaprek long si dunto si karbing poho pen alang karcho dunto. This is all called Karbi muffler, traditional muffler. Whenever people from different people come to our place, we welcome them with this Karbi poho.
Okay.
So this is for you, my small token of love.
Okay.
Thank you so much, man. It's a 6.5 inch taller.
6.5 inches.
Oh man.
Wow, it's so nice.
Would you like to say
Thank
to
you.
our people?
Hello, I'm from Germany. I just came 6 days ago and I love India. So nice people everywhere. I hitchhike all the way like this and it works so good. I meet a lot of nice people like him.
Okay.
And I love it. I'm happy to be here.
Okay, wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your day, man.
Thank you.
Okay. To my car, sir.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. By the way, what is your good name, sir?
My name is Max.
Okay, sir. And where do you come from?
I'm from Germany.
You're from Germany.
Germany, Munich.
Okay. So how come you take a leave in this kind of,
I always travel with Lyft, always.
Okay.
So I travel in Europe with Lyft. I travel in South America with Lyft.
Okay.
I travel
So when did you started this kind of traveling?
3 years ago.
3 years ago. So you are going for Hornbill Festival?
Yes, I want to see Hornbill Festival.
Have you ever visited Dimapur or Kohima?
No.
No.
First
This is
time.
your first time in Northeast India?
Yes.
This is the part of Northeast India.
Yeah, first time in India in January.
You're okay. This is your second time in India.
No, first time.
First time in India.
Only 6 days.
Okay. When do you reach India?
1st of December.
1st of December.
Yes.
Oh.
Only 5-6 days ago. Pretty fresh.
How was the experience? Because lots of things are hearing about India that the Indian people are not good, and then the country is poor, and some kind of things are always, yeah.
No, I love it. Really, I love it.
Okay.
The hospitality of the people,
Okay.
I have never seen it in another country.
Really? Okay. So after completed Europe, and this is Asia country, this is your first time?
I was in Nepal before.
Oh, you was in Nepal?
I was in Nepal,
Okay.
trekking in the mountains, and then I came here.
Oh. So are you single?
I'm single.
So at home, how many family members? Your mommy, papa?
I have mother, father, one sister,
Okay.
and my grandparents.
Okay. Are there no objections to you traveling alone?
My parents, both of them, they were traveling a lot when they were young.
Okay.
So they were also, for example, they were never in India, but they both were in Nepal.
Okay.
They were traveling a lot, so they understand me.
Okay. So you got any like in Instagram or YouTube or?
I have Instagram, but I don't really post. It's just for my friends. And some people I meet on the way, but
Okay.
Sometimes I
So
post.
you're not in the blog?
no, I'm not a blogger.
Okay.
Yes, I just
That means
private-
you travel with your naked eyes, you enjoy yourself.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Just
So this is the first time such kind of guy I've ever, come across, because most of the people, those who travel all over the world, they do, blogs and all these things, no? But you're the first person ever such. So how many days you'll be staying in Kohima?
I don't know. I want to see the Hornbill Festival. Maybe I go to some different places to see it.
Okay.
And I was told that in Nagaland a lot of people play music.
Oh yeah.
So I play some guitar. Maybe I can play with some other people.
Okay. That is a great idea, because the Nagas people, they love Western music, and with their traditional fusion type of culture. So yeah, they are really, and the people are very, they have a great civic sense, and they love people, they love welcoming people, and they are very good, gentle people of Northeast India.
Okay.
I think Meghalaya and I think Nagaland is one of the best and safest place of Northeast India. And and you would love to see the people because so many colorful with their traditional ornaments and the dancing. You would love it, sir. Okay. So, have you eaten anything since morning? No. Okay.
I was hitchhiking with some other people.
Okay. Let's have some, traditional foods if possible, if nearby, in the dhaba. Okay. I will.
Something small.
Okay. Let's do it then. And okay, enjoy our trip then.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay.